from Junior Science Experiments, and today we're going to do a really exciting activity, and in this video we're going to make a telephone. So basically it's going to be a telephone which only it's a secret telephone which no one can hear what you're talking about. So I'm really excited to make it. So what are we waiting for? Let's start the experiment! So here are the things we will be needing: 2 disposable cups, tape, a string, and a sharp pencil. So guys, the first step is you take the cup and put it upside down, and then you make a hole with the use of the pencil in the center of the cup. Like this, so the string can pass through it. Same you're going to do with the other cup. So guys, the second step is cut the string to 3 to 9 meters. So guys, the next step is you pass through the string through both of the cups. Like this. So the next step is you tie a knot at the end of the string so it doesn't just passes through the hole, it remains there. I'm going to tie a double knot so it doesn't get passed through. And you're going to repeat the same step with the other cup as well. Like this. So guys, it's testing time and now I'm really excited, so let's try. Okay. Move a little backwards. Please. So, make sure that the string is straight. If it's not, then you will not be able to hear the sound. Oh my god, you guys, I can literally hear her.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, I can literally hear her. And did you hear us? No, because we were whispering, and we were standing a bit further from each other, but still we could hear it just because of this our secret telephone.
So guys, let's talk about how the string telephone works. When you talk into the cup, your voice sends sound waves inside the cup, vibrating the bottom of the cup. The vibrations are transferred to the string and across the string and finally into the bottom of the other cup. The sound waves become vibrations inside the second cup, transferring the sound of your voice.
So guys, it's now the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And also don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Bye!